Figure Savers is now offering Smart Buns. It is a hamburger bun that has only 72 calories per bun. It is gluten-free, non-GMO, and has 10 grams of protein per bun and 12 grams of fiber. That gives you a net 0 carbohydrate. They are delicious. I really enjoyed having my hamburger with a bun, and you will too. These are for our maintenance dieters only. If you're on phases 1, 2, or 3, you may not purchase these from our store. But if you're in maintenance, it is a great idea to get some of these buns so that you can enjoy a hamburger with 0 carbs. Wow. Wow, look what I am about to enjoy. A hamburger with a bun. It's called a Smart Bun. You are going to want these too on phase 4, your maintenance ideal protein lifestyle.